gotta do it if you really wanna fall till you fall when you're back against the wall. And a bunch of niggas need you to go away. Saw you last night, but did it all day.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to be doing a DIY project. So I made this slipper right here. It is a fur slide, very cute. It's very popular in the summer. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and continue watching this video if you want to see how you make this cute slide. It's very easy. Now, this is how the slide looked before. So you're gonna need E6000. It is glue, very strong glue, so make sure you know you're in a ventilated place where the air comes in. Yeah, then you're gonna need some scissors, and you're gonna need some gloves so you don't get this glue on your hands. You please do not get this on your hands. And you're gonna need some fur, some fabric, and I got this from Joann Fabrics. So you're gonna want to just measure it and put it on the side, put it on top to make sure it's the right size. Now you're gonna want to just go ahead and put that glue on the slide. Make sure you put a decent amount on. You know, you don't want your fur to be coming off. So make sure you put enough glue. So now that we're done putting glue, this is how it's gonna look. Glue. Go ahead and start to put the fur on. And make sure when you put it on, you press it down firmly so that it comes on there perfectly and it doesn't have any problems with sticking to the slide. So now I'm just pushing it down to make sure the glue is on there, and then I'm gonna push down the other side to make sure the glue is sticking to it. Now we're gonna cut off this excess fur off that we do not need, that is extra on the slide. So these are how the slides turned out. Very cute, very cute. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you like this video if you like these slides. DIY. Julie Ash is out.
Take control my drip. Sauce all on. Who gon' clean this shit? Sauce all on. Ice on my neck, ice on my bitch. Sauce all on. I got the drip, I got the drip.